Yeah, the first thing, so you understand also. Uh, I wanted to have you start them cooking because they will take some time, right? So we are already having them cooked, and now on a separate pan, we yes. And so while you are heating up your pan, do you have cumin seeds and maybe coriander seeds? We will use that. Uh, and cumin. Okay, we will use that as well for sure. Okay, so now chop celery, mushrooms, and maybe carrot. We will use that on this other pan. Ah, you already have them sliced. Perfect. So you can put them on. Yeah, definitely, whatever works for you. And also add the cumin seeds and coriander there, like a teaspoon or something like that. Ah, you can just eyeball it. It's not really important. Adjust according to your taste. Mhm. So, do you also want it to make it like more rich in protein? Okay, so take the TVP. Yeah, so while we have that basically being reduced, what we can do is like a side salad if you want. Uh, I suggest you have like tomatoes, so cherry tomatoes we can use. We can use kale and spinach. Just mix it, massage it, and alternatively, what you can do, add flax seeds there in the salad, or olive oil, or maybe if you have some other seeds, that would be like the source of fat which we haven't been using until now. What we cooked now, yeah, we have now approximately 5 portions. And I actually calculated it for you while we were making recipes. So per portion, it would be about 450 calories. If you put it into 4 portions, it's about 550, something like that. And each of them would be like more than 30 grams of protein. So without the dressing, without the salad, so just the cooked food. And we would avoid quinoa or rice in that case because we are already getting a lot of starch from the lentils alone. So, but yeah, and also notice like how filling this food is and how satisfying it is. And show me photos. I want to see photos afterwards. Since we started calling, because I have a timer here, it was about 32 minutes. So that's, I think, pretty manageable. And if you just increased maybe, the size of the on the stove top that we were preparing, we would have food easily for 3 days like that, right? Imagine, I mean, in 40 minutes, let's say 45 minutes, you can have food cooked for 3 days.